maintenance of law and order. The sustenance and maintenance of law and order is very important in ensuring the sustainability of the democracy of every country or society. It is one of the most important duties of the government, as without peace and security, the progress in society becomes difficult. The police maintain law and order in a region. There is a police station to maintain law and order in certain area under its control. The people of that area report cases of quarrels, burglary, accidents, etc. to the police. The SHO, Station House Officer, is the person in charge of the police station. Along with the constables, he or she is responsible for investigating all such cases in the area of a specific police station and taking proper action. The person who reports an incident has to register a report at the police station. It is called FIR, First Information Report. Sometimes people tell a lie to the SHO. They report a minor conflict in high colors. The time of the police is wasted in the investigation of such reports. Therefore, at times, the SHO could not believe people. When some responsible and respected persons accompany them, then the SHO records their complaints.